Excellent.
Wow. That feels good. It feels good. It really does. Oh my God. Oh.
How you feel?
Much better.
Awesome.
I feel like straight.
She's not a squashed can anymore.
Definitely not.
She feels like a crushed can, she said. That's funny. All right, let's see the crushed can. Let's face down, hands right there. That was a good one. The crushed can. I'm gonna use that. I'm gonna use that word from now on. Make you move better, feel better, live better. Okay? And what you do is you sit all day right here.
Yeah.
Your tailbone's at the bottom. This is your sacrum bone, keystone of your spine. Your hip bones lock in here.
Yeah.
This gets tight and compressed the more you keep sitting on it. This system was meant to move constantly all day long. Use it or lose it. Okay?
Yeah.
No good. Use it or lose it. See, tighter on the left side.
Yeah.
But you were feeling pain on the right when you squatted, right?
Yeah.
Okay, but it's tighter here. So let's start there. Good. Turn to this side, face me. Bring the left side through, right there. Gonna get good rotation all the way through. See, she's tight.
Oh. Oh. That felt good.
All the pressure, tension, and stress. This is the issue, folks. Pressure, tension, and stress building up on your spinal nervous system, not the pain. Turn to the other side. Bring this leg up towards you. Get this one right here. Straighten this one. Get that one. Get that one. Get good rotation all the way through.
That's really good.
Good. All the tension. Perfect. Let's stand up. Gonna tuck that chin. Gonna take a nice deep breath in, all the way out.
Cracking me in ways I don't even know I could crack.
But this is the problem is because this is the issue. It's not the injection she needs. It might take the edge off, but it's not going to fix it. The pressure, tension, and stress built up from sitting forward all day long. Shoulders, clavicles, sternum, ribs, your diaphragm just compress and get tight. And then back here between the shoulder blades it gets tight. But there's a little more down below. So we got to fix that. We got to address that issue. Open up and decompress that spine. Tuck that chin. Deep breath in, all the way out. See? She's got a lot of tension built up over time. It happens slowly over time. She had an injury a long time ago, but this is a process. Slowly over time, she's got compressed and stuck. She's stuck. Oh, wait. She said she feels like a crushed soda can.
Yep.
We just opened it. Now we can get the 10-cent deposit. Too much. Front of computers. Hang those arms over the side. Gotta get that occiput bone, base of the skull. Just get stuck on that first cervical vertebrae. She's just. Drop this right here. Excellent.
Wow. That feels good.
And the breathing changes. You get full inspiration, exhalation. Good. Gotta breathe better, folks.
It feels good. It really does.
Get that tension out of there. Drop right here. Good. A little tighten that right side. Drop that head back. Good.
Feels really good.
Awesome. Love it. Come lie on your back, face up. Leave those hands, let's stretch. Give me here. Keep breathing deep into those lungs here. Expand that belly all the way out. Let's go. Let's get breathing. Let's get breathing. Stay open. Shoulders, clavicles, sternum, and ribs. Okay. Keep breathing. Good. Decompress all the way through. Y strap. Traction adjustment. She's folded like we're gonna unsquash the can. We're gonna unsquash it. She's a squashed can. We're gonna open that can.
Gonna make it taller.
There you go. We're gonna make it taller, at least 2-3 inches. Take a deep breath in. We're gonna blow it all the way out.
Oh my god. Oh god. Oh my god. That feels so good.
That's awesome.
That felt so good. Wow. That feels amazing.
That's good. Feel that tension.
Oh my goodness. That feels so good.
And that's the issue. Wow. Let's see this one again. Oh, good. Alright. How do you feel?
Much better. I
Awesome.
feel like straight.
She's not a squashed can anymore.
Definitely not. I feel straight. I feel like the last one with the white band, it was just,
Pull that
yeah.
Y strap.
Yes,
Awesome.
it did.
Less pressure, tension, and stress. She was compressed, tight. The adjustment takes the pressure, tension, and stress off your spine and nervous system, make you move better, feel better, and live better. That's what adjustments do, okay? Don't let anybody ever tell you any different. Awesome.
Amazing.
Boom. But wait, one more. Go back over there. Let's see. I gotta see the squat. I wanna see if it's changed. Go ahead.
It feels great. It doesn't even hurt over here or anything.
So no pain at all.
I don't feel
that.
no pain at all.
What about if you bend forward?
No, I don't feel tight at
Oh, that's
all.
amazing.
That's amazing. You're amazing.
Awesome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.